Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do this task called land sequences in community parks. So it is a weekly challenge. So what you'll need to do is go basically to your map and watch for the community parks. So as you can see, this is the one community park right here. Let's find other ones. This is the other one. So just with yellow icon, you'll see the community park. And here, what you'll need to do is just do a couple tricks and land it. And that's basically how the sequence is counted. So wait until the points goes away. And as you can see, we did this sequence. So that's pretty much it, guys. As you can see, this challenge, if we go to the tasks again, is counting. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys and see you in the next one.